So Mumu has completely upped the ante here in 2025. You can now get 30 free stocks by using that link down below. Deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks, and deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more free stocks. And guys, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1%. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Mumu. Get your free stocks. And now let's break down Sofi, the charts, what I'm looking to do. And man, it is looking good here, guys. What a better way to wrap up the week here on Friday than what we're seeing right now. Every index is in the green. The Russell's up 0.6%, Dow's up 1%, S&P's up 1.1%, and the QQQ NASDAQ 100 is up 1.7%. Yes, you heard that right, guys. And SoFi is up over 1.5% after hitting $16.75 about an hour ago, just over an hour ago. So yeah, we are pushing $17 yet again, guys, after just hitting $13 not too long ago. So I guess now it's officially safe to say SoFi is reversing fully and the bulls are back in control, baby. Let's freaking go. We can see earlier this week we were in the high 13s. And again, now we're in the 16s. So this week alone, guys, we're up around 20%. Actually, I think over 20% from where we were earlier in the week. And on the 30-minute chart, this looks like a clean-cut reversal. I mean, does it not? We have a golden cross. We're above both moving averages. We took out the highs from earlier this year. Now we're actually breaking out of the highs from the 26th of December. We're getting out of there slowly but surely, which really is the only main resistance left between us and hitting those highs on the 4-hour chart, which if I zoom in here, you guys can see clearly SoFi is breaking out now, obviously. I mean, you guys already knew that, but let me show you here on the chart so we can really get a visual. I mean, it's breaking out, right? Above both moving averages here. We have clearly a push out of this downtrending channel, which we were in for how long, man? Geez, was it 2 months almost? Yeah, we were in this little downtrend for 2 months, and now we're breaking out. And like I said earlier in this video a minute ago, 1650, 60-ish, the high from the end of last year, the 26th, 27th of December, that's the only real resistance left between us and completely ripping, in my opinion, past the highs from last year, 1733. I think we're going to get out of there, guys, and honestly start our move to $20 per share. And it kind of all comes down to earnings. They're in 10 days, not this Monday coming up, but the Monday after. It comes down to earnings, guys. How are these numbers going to come in, and what is guidance going to be? Guidance is going to play a huge role in whether or not SoFi in the very short term hits $20 or not, right? If guidance is bad, this probably won't go to $20 in the short term. But if they crush earnings, crush guidance, maybe we get the breakout before earnings, momentum's building up, then we get the numbers. It could go to 20. Who knows if the numbers are great, but it could really go either way. I mean, you guys know earnings season, how the stock market goes, individual stocks around earnings. Tricky times for sure. And you guys probably know, I mean, I haven't said this in a while, but I'm not a big earnings trader. I used to be years ago when I first started trading in the stock market. I would buy calls, buy puts, try and do all these strategies and, try and predict what a stock's going to do right after earnings. And I don't do that anymore. I lost some money doing that. Obviously, I made some money too, but I figured it's not the best strategy long term to try and just gamble on all these different earnings plays. So for now, now I like just waiting until earnings come out. I like to see how the stock reacts. I want to see the numbers, even if it means I miss out on a move. It happens. I miss out on moves because I don't take crazy trades before earnings. But guess what? I also don't get screwed with losses, right? Sure, I miss out on some moves, but I'm saving my you know what on the back end if we get a crazy drop and I'm wrong on an earnings play, which that's happened to me a lot before, guys. Like I said, I've lost money doing earnings plays. I've made money doing earnings plays, but I just don't mess around with them anymore now for the most part, unless, I'm feeling crazy, which it hasn't been a while for that either, or it's been a while since I've done that. But yeah, that's a quick rundown here on SoFi, a little side tangent there on earnings trading. But yeah, now actually we're pushing 1660 as I'm making this video, guys. So it looks like we're now really starting to get out of those end of December highs, or we're testing them right now. So keep your eyes on this. If we break out into close, guys, past, let's say, the highs from today being 1675, that would be a huge W for the bulls heading into the weekend, which, by the way, Monday, the market is closed. We're getting Trump coming in office. It's also Martin Luther King Day, so keep that in mind. Markets are going to be closed on Monday, but Tuesday, get ready, man. We have a lot of companies reporting earnings, a lot of companies. It's going to be a fun week next week. And I'm curious to see how the stock market reacts on Tuesday after a long weekend, after Trump coming in office, and after who the heck knows what type of news we're going to get over the weekend. Side note, TikTok getting banned. That's another thing. I'm very curious to see how that plays out. Will Biden push it back 90 days? Will we get a buyer? Will it actually get banned? It's going to be an interesting next couple of days, to say the least. And I'm going to set my alert before I forget right now. I'll put it at $16.75 here on SoFi, guys. Let me do that now. And by the way, make sure to join the email list. I'm not sure if you guys have done that yet. It's free. I send out my top 3 stocks every single Monday right to your inbox, right to your email. All you have to do is put your first name and your email in that, using that link in the description box, also pinned in the comment section. You guys might as well get in that email list. There's a lot of value there. So that is some thoughts. Those are some thoughts on SoFi, and we're doing this in the midst of a nice day for stocks, which you guys probably saw my video from earlier today where we broke down the indexes a bit further, more in depth. If you guys missed that video, make sure to go check it out after this one. We broke down the indexes, other stocks I'm looking at, and man, talk about a green day. Every stock, it seems like, on my watch list is moving. Well, not really. I mean, we have some red. CrowdStrike's down, GameStop's down, Celsius is down, DraftKings, Planet Fitness is down. So there are a couple stocks, but not much red. It's one of those days, and it's a great way, honestly, to wrap up this week heading into the long weekend. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. We're almost at 50,000 subs here on the main channel and almost at 1,000 subs on the second channel, which is linked down below in the description box. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Stas Talks Money. That is linked right down below. And get your stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it is a no-brainer, so use that link down below or simply go to stasurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.